Today, we stand here to celebrate Prerna, which means inspiration. And what better way to honor inspiration is by remembering the extraordinary courage of the unsung heroines of India. Women whose name may not appear in the textbooks, but whose sacrifices shaped our nation.
Tonight's biographical skit is not just a performance, it's a journey. A journey into the lives of women who fought battles with no applause and who lived with extraordinary courage. In every era, there have been women whose actions spoke louder than history cared to record. They were warriors, revolutionaries, healers, protectors, thinkers, and above all, symbols of Prerna.
These stories tell us you do not need recognition to make an impact. You only need courage.
शर्म आ रही है ना उस समाज को जिसने उसके जन्म पर खुल के जश्न नहीं मनाया। शर्म आ रही है ना उस पिता को उसके होने पर जिसने एक दिया कम जलाया। शर्म आ रही है ना उन बुजुर्गों को जिन्होंने उसके अस्तित्व को सिर्फ अंधेरों से जोड़ा। शर्म आनी चाहिए। हर ऐसे विचार को शर्म आनी चाहिए जिसने पंख काटे थे उसके। शर्म आनी चाहिए ऐसे हर ख्याल को शर्म आनी चाहिए जिसने रोका था उसे आसमान की तरफ देखने से। शर्म आनी चाहिए हम सबको, क्योंकि जब मुट्ठी में सूरज लिए नन्ही सी बिटिया सामने खड़ी थी तब हम उसकी उंगलियों से छलकती रोशनी नहीं, उसका लड़की होना देख रहे थे। पर सूरज को तो धूप खिलाना था, बेटी को तो सवेरा लाना था, और सुबह होकर रही।
फिर आरंभ हुआ नए युग का नारियों के जिद का।
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
India's history is filled with brave daughters.
Some became famous, others remained unsung yet unforgettable.
Before every dawn, there rise women who fight storms in silence. Not for fame, not for applause, but because courage is their breath and duty is their heartbeat. They walk into danger so others may sleep. They decode the sky so science may rise. They dig through mountains to uncover the earth's truth, and they heal even when their old world is breaking. These are not just women, they are the invisible pillars of India.
And tonight, we bring to you four flames of courage. A warrior in uniform, a scientist of missiles, an explorer of the earth, and a doctor who broke centuries of chains, presenting the unsung heroes of India.
I, Ankita Sharma, the first women IPS officer to serve in the Naxal-affected areas of Chhattisgarh. When bullets screamed and fear ruled the forest, I walked in with nothing but my oath to protect my people. I commanded anti-Naxal operations. I entered villages where no woman officer had ever stepped. And I proved that courage has no gender. I am Ankita Sharma, a daughter of India and a soldier of peace.
I am Tessie Thomas, the first woman to lead India's Agni missile project. A girl who grew up watching rockets above the Kerala coast, and one day ended up designing them. When the world said missile science was not for women, I sharpened my mind, held my ground, and scripted India's defense future. I am Tessie Thomas, the woman who gave wings to fire.
I am Sudipta Sengupta, one of the few women in the world who conquered the icy silence of Antarctica. In the 1980s, when women were not even considered for polar missions, I broke the ice, literally. With a hammer in my glove and courage in my chest, I mapped mountains buried under snow for millions of years. I am Sudipta, the woman who opened Earth's deepest secrets.
I am Dr. Anandibai Joshi, the first Indian woman who earned a medical degree when women were not even allowed past the threshold of education. I sailed across oceans, fought social ridicule, and studied medicine in America in just 19 years old. I lost my baby because there were no women doctors. I vowed no women should suffer as I did. I am Anandibai Joshi, the flame who light the path of every girl in medicine.
There are women who do not just write history. They burn themselves to light the path for a nation. They marched with flags when bullets filled the air. They staged revolutions with courage. They lifted forgotten communities from dust to dignity. They protected India's stories like they could never fade. These women are storms wrapped in silence.
आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी आज से अब से आन मेरी मैं तुमको ना छूने दूंगी जान को चाहे छलनी कर दो मान को ना छूने दूंगी छू के देखो दिल मेरा तुम्हें दिल में अपने भर लूंगी पर छेड़ के देखो तुम मुझको मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी तुमको नहीं छोड़ूंगी
Tonight, three such eternal flames rise before you.
I am Matangini Hazra, 73 years old and still marching for India's freedom. Police bullets tore through my body, but my hands never let go of the tricolor. I fell with Vande Mataram on my lips and the flag pressed to my heart. I am Matangini, the grandmother who taught India what real bravery looks like.
I am Roshni Nadar Malhotra, a name you may not hear every day, yet a name that changed the world of Indian technology. I did not become famous on a battlefield. My battlefield was the boardroom. My courage was not in swords, it was in decisions that shaped India's digital future. I am the first woman to lead a global IT company from India, HCL Technologies. A daughter, a dreamer, a leader who proved that power is not inherited, it is earned. I am Kamla Subramaniam, the woman who retold the Ramayana and Mahabharata with a heart full of devotion at a time when epic literature was dominated by men. I picked up my pen and brought India's greatest stories to every home. I preserved our culture word by word, page by page. I am Kamla Subramaniam, a storyteller who kept India's soul alive.
You have climbed mountains, launched missiles, healed lives, fought wars. Why does the world barely know your names?
Because courage in a uniform is seen as a duty, not legend.
तुम बहुत जिद्दी है।
हो सदके मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया, मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया, तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो। तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है, सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत